So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing that most likely the price tag of the iPhone 12 and 12 Max might increase. So guys, in this video I'm going to be clearing lots of your confusion regarding the size of this iPhone and overall what are the factors because of which the price tag might increase. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, recently Philip from Everythingapple has made his own 3D model of the 5.4-inch iPhone 12, and according to him the size of this iPhone is going to be right in between the old iPhone SE and the new iPhone SE. So in short, the iPhone 12 is going to be even smaller than the current iPhone SE. So guys, overall you are talking about a compact flagship smartphone. So guys, every year in the month of June or July, Apple gives away the CAD renders. So these are the 3D prototypes of the upcoming iPhones. They give this to all of the case manufacturers so that all of the covers can be manufactured. And guys, this year Apple has given away the CAD renders for all of the iPhones, and it turns out everything is pretty much accurate. But guys, if you will focus on the front side of this iPhone, there is only a cutout for the front earpiece. So very cleverly Apple is trying to hide this from the media that the notch is getting smaller. So indirectly it is pretty much confirmed that the notch will get smaller. So guys, overall we are now getting the CAD renders and we are having a complete size idea of the iPhone 12. But guys, there is one sad news regarding this particular iPhones, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Max, and that is regarding the display panel. Well guys, we have already discussed that Apple is opting for the BOE displays so that they can manage to fit a OLED display below $700. But guys, according to the current situation, BOE is not able to fulfill Apple's demand. So there are two options. First of all, BOE has to manage somehow or the other to provide all of the displays, or else Apple has to opt for Samsung to manufacture the displays. But again, if Apple will opt for Samsung, then the price tag will increase substantially. So expect a $50 to $100 of price increase if Apple opts for the Samsung panels. And of course, many people have this confusion like BOE displays will not be that better like an Samsung display, and that is up to the point very much true. But guys, Apple has only given permission to BOE after looking at the displays. So there is not going to be any problem, there is not going to be any green tilt issue with the OLED panels, but just BOE is not able to fulfill Apple's demand. So guys, we really don't have any idea whether Apple will opt for the BOE displays or they will opt for the Samsung displays, but let us hope for the best. And guys, it's pretty much confirmed that in the box you will not get any wired earbuds. So there are chances that with the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, Apple might include the first or second generation of AirPods. But if you are talking about the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Max, then there are very high chances that you will only get the 18-watt fast charger in addition to the lightning cable. Other than that, you will not find any headphone dongle or even any pair of headphones. So guys, overall what I want to say in this video is that if Apple opts for the Samsung panels, then the price tag of both of these iPhones might increase around $50 to $100, which we definitely don't want. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope that BOE satisfies Apple's demand. So guys, I hope that you have liked this small video, and guys, if you are new to my channel, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.